Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. An orange and red triangular sign on a vehicle always means A. Slow-moving vehicle. B. Shoulder work ahead. C. The vehicle is broken. The correct answer is A. Question 2. In the passenger area of any vehicle, A. No one may have an open container of alcohol. B. Operators may store open containers of alcohol if no one else is riding with them. C. A passenger, not the operator, may have open containers of alcohol. The correct answer is A. Question 3. When a lead rider is extending their left arm and pointing downward, it means A. Speed up. B. Pull over. C. Hazard in the roadway. The correct answer is C. Question 4. If riding during the day, you should wear A. Brightly colored clothing to increase your chances of being seen. B. Clothing of any color because other drivers can easily see you in daylight. C. Darkly colored clothing to contrast with the bright sunlight. The correct answer is A. Question 5. Where should you position your motorcycle when entering a curve? A. The outside of the curve. B. The inside of the curve. C. Wherever traffic and road conditions require. The correct answer is C. Question 6. When riding with a passenger, you may need to adjust A. The brakes. B. The suspension. C. The brake light. The correct answer is B. Question 7. When an operator's left arm is bent at the elbow and pointing downward, it means the operator A. is turning right. B. is turning left. C. is slowing or stopping. The correct answer is C. Question 8. Which blood alcohol content (BAC) level is the legal limit? A. 0.04%. B. 0.08%. C. 0.1%. The correct answer is B. Question 9. Where is the greatest potential for conflict between you and other vehicles? A. At an intersection. B. On the highway. C. On any road. The correct answer is A. Question 10. A solid yellow line next to a broken yellow line means that vehicles A. traveling in both directions may pass. B. next to the broken line may pass. C. next to the solid line may pass. The correct answer is B. Question 11. The best way to help others see your motorcycle is to A. Use your headlight. B. Maintain eye contact. C. Wave at drivers. The correct answer is A. Question 12. When riding a motorcycle, you should A. Wear half-fingered gloves. B. Wear full-fingered gloves. C. Not wear gloves. The correct answer is B. Question 13. Unlike other beverages, alcohol A. is absorbed into the bloodstream right away. B. needs to be digested. C. doesn't affect humans. The correct answer is A. Question 14. If you have only one drink before riding, A. you cannot be arrested for drinking and riding. B. your riding skills will not be affected. C. it can affect your ability to operate a motorcycle. The correct answer is C. Question 15. When an operator's left arm is bent at the elbow and pointing upward, it means the operator A. is turning right. B. is turning left. C. is slowing or stopping. The correct answer is A. Question 16. A plastic, shatter-resistant face shield A. is not necessary if you have a windshield. B. only protects your eyes. C. helps protect your whole face. The correct answer is C. Question 17. To steer a three-wheeled motorcycle, you should A. point the front wheel in the direction you want to travel. B. lean in the direction you want to travel. C. lean away from the direction you want to travel. The correct answer is A. Question 18. When being followed by a tailgater, you should A. change lanes and let them pass or slow down to allow for more space ahead of your motorcycle. B. ignore them. C. increase your speed. The correct answer is A. Question 19. Handlebars should be blank the rider's seat. A. the same height as. B. no more than 10 inches above. C. no more than 25 inches above. The correct answer is C. Question 20. You should pick a lane position that A. best increases your visibility and allows for a safe cushion of space. B. you like, without regard to others. C. gets you close to other vehicles. The correct answer is A.